Alright, here we are. Food lamp for YouTube. Truck I won't be able to eat at today, but to chronicle ones that come and go, we have a truck called Twist Burgers. Twist Burgers. Especially on this one is probably burgers, I'm going to say. So let's take a look at the menu. Not many trucks out today. We got here. We have the classic double twist. They have the People's Choice, $7.50. And they do have hot dogs, all prime beef Angus hot dogs. They have a Sauchi Papas, which is a grilled sausage served with flavored fries. Cheese twist fries, regular flavored fries, sweet potato or shoestring fries. Beef Franks with fries and soft drink, $7.50. The People's Choice prime Angus beef. Homemade patties, grilled perfection, served with a choice of bread, tomatoes, iceberg lettuce, goat cheese, and our special twist sauce. A must try. The cheeses, goat, gorgonzola, brie, American sharp cheddar. The bread, flat ciabatta, white burger bun. And that's your choices here. Your toppings, figs, caramelized onions, wild mushroom, mayo aioli, roasted garlic, mayo Japanese, etc., etc. Alright, food lamp out. Another truck to look for.